Okay, so we're going to make these little craft stands, I'm going to call them, I guess. You can use these for tablets, phones, charcuterie boards, other crafts like cutting boards, as long as it's not too heavy. I'm keeping this simple. So we're going to cut 10-degree angles, and we're going to do a dado cut with the regular blade. We don't obviously have a dado put in here since we can't really angle that with the throat plate. So we're going to cut these 10-degree angles, like I said. But whether it be the first or the last cut, we're going to do a straight cut. And that's where the front of the piece will lay into. So here we're going to clean up the dado with a little chisel. Just clean it all out here. Just get all loose wood. It doesn't have to be perfect. These are just strictly holders. They're not really. I'm not looking to have these things stand out to look nicer than the product that we're putting in them. So these are, like I said, perfect for tablets, phones, as long as it's not too heavy. Charcuterie boards, thin stock cutting boards. I even use them for flags. Here we're going to do a little test fit with the charcuterie board. It's not very heavy, and it works perfectly. These are perfect for craft shows or displays for your stores, etc. So here we're just going to cut some of these up the final length with the miter saw. So not many tools were really used for this. There's no fastening tool accessories like screws, brad nails, no, not even any glue. Now you can get real intricate with these, but I kept these simple. I had to make these quick for a craft show I was getting ready to do, so I didn't want to waste too much time on these. I just wanted these to be good, but not stand out. Like I said, I don't want these to overshadow the product that's going in them. So here we are with a little thicker stock poplar. We're going to go with a real high dado here. The deeper the dado, as long as the wood's kind of heavy, the better it holds your product. Okay, so after we make all our dado cuts, we're going to run a chamfer with the router to soften the edges a little bit here. Nothing spectacular, and we're going to do light sanding at about 120 grit. You can stain these if you like, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep these natural pine and poplar. Like I said, just clean them up, and these are pretty much done. They came out pretty nice. They're functional, and they're able to hold my flags, my coasters, charcuterie boards, cards, and even my phone and my a cutting board here or two. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.